in struggling, illiterate, and underdeveloped countries, a peculiar dynamic exists among the elite. Often, these elites are either corrupt, criminal, or lack true merit, and they become uncomfortable with individuals who gain popularity based on genuine achievements like knowledge, research, music, art, cinema, or science. Instead, these elites excel in superficial pursuits such as corruption, criminal activities, and manipulation. Rather than directly confronting these successful, genuine individuals, because attacking an educated scientist or artist would lead to public backlash, they employ a more subtle strategy. They find a loyal puppet within their circles, someone who may hold the same title, like scientist, artist, or researcher, but is subservient to the corrupt leader. This lackey is then pitted against the genuine individual in a fabricated conflict. The result? The genuine person is drawn into unnecessary, draining mudslinging, which ultimately leads them to withdraw from the fight, returning to their work or research. The corrupt leader, hiding behind the scenes, watches the drama unfold, knowing that the targeted individual will be too focused on the pointless squabble to keep challenging them. This clever manipulation allows the corrupt elites to maintain control without ever facing direct exposure or accountability. It's a vicious cycle that perpetuates the status quo in these countries, stifling genuine progress and reinforcing the very corruption that holds the country back for decades.